Hi everyone, I would like to introduce a couple of new features in PowerPoint. One is called GIF, which stands for Graphics Interchange Format, and basically it's a set of images placed together to make a short soundless video clip. So I'm going to run a slideshow just to show you some of the pictures that I've included that are GIF, Graphics Interchange Format. So I'll just run a slideshow just to show you what I chose. So I just wanted to share that with you. So if we wanted to create one, I'm going to go down to a new slide, and I will choose new slide and select blank, and then I'll first do insert a picture, online picture, and I'll type in GIF running dog, and I'll select a picture. And the thing is, you don't know if it's going to be a moving image until you do a slideshow, and sometimes not all of them will move. So if I use Shift F5, it takes me right to a slideshow of just this slide, not the entire PowerPoint presentation. So there it is, a moving slide. Then, so there's my image. I'm going to end up moving it slightly. But what I want to do is go to Design, Background, and choose a picture as background that's also moving. So GIF rain. So I'll select rain and insert. So this is the background, and I'm going to move the dog so it's more in the water and rotate it a little. So let's check. Shift F5 and takes me right to this slide, and I have a running dog in the rain, and they're both GIF'd documents. Great. One more thing I want to show you is if you were to choose as a background in a new slide, so I'll put in another blank slide, and I were to choose format, picture, online, I want a particular picture that I know that will be chopped off. So I'm going to select this picture. And I just wanted to share with you, if you ever pick a picture and you're not seeing it entirely, you can use what's called offset top and bottom and right, and you can move it so that everything is included in the picture, so the background is not chopped off. And do the same thing on the bottom. If you need to do left and right, you could do that as well. So if you ever selected a picture and it's chopped off, you can use the offset left, right, top, bottom, and you can also work with transparency. If it's too bright, you can lighten the background of it. You could, if you wanted to type something, you could click Insert, Text Box, draw a text box, type something in it, and you could move it around if you wanted. So you could have it as background using the transparency or offsetting it. So I just wanted to share a couple of cool features in PowerPoint that is helpful. Thank you. Save and submit.